Hi guys, this is Zebro00 and welcome back to another YouTube video. Today I have another product review. Today I will be reviewing whatever is in this bag. Nice little box here. It comes with a carrying case, a nice soft carrying case. Very nice. And as you see, there's a USB-C coming out of it right now. So in this bag is a ComCare multi-port USB-C 3.1 hub. We're about to see what it looks like. Wow, this thing is nice looking. Look at that. It's sleek design. It's very light. So the main purpose for this is to connect to USB-C and to have extra ports for your Mac or any other laptop, I guess, that uses USB-C, mostly Macs. Let's see all the ports that we have. We have another USB-C, HDMI, 3 USBs, micro SD card, a regular SD card. We even have an Ethernet port on the end, and also a headphone jack right next to the USB-C plug. So I actually have the new Mac right here with the 2 USB-C plugs. It's really annoying that you can't plug anything into this except for USB-Cs. And no one has USB-Cs. So this is going to be very useful. Just plug this in right there. And then I can plug stuff into this. So I have a micro SD card right here that I use for my GoPro. Okay, now I can just slide it right into the micro SD card slot right there. Plug it into my computer. In a few seconds, the untitled folder pops up on my computer and I can access all my files. It works. So this pretty much has everything that you can need. You can even plug an HDMI into this and project what your screen shows onto another screen, which is useful for watching movies. USBs are great. You can plug mice into them since this computer only has USB-C and most mice are USB. So guys, if you would like to purchase one of these, the link will be in the description. I highly recommend it. It's very useful and light. Just put this in your bag and you'll always have it. Leave a like, subscribe, and stay sarcastic.